Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Math Text by Dhruti. This is a series of sessions for differentiation and currently we are discussing the topic logarithmic differentiation. In previous session we have discussed the method and steps of logarithmic differentiation and we have done one example also. So let us recall the steps first. Um, we are given the function y is equal to f of x raised to g of x. In step 1, we will apply log on both the sides. In step 2, we will differentiate the equation and in step 3, we will get the answer. Today we are taking another example for logarithmic differentiation, more difficult example than the previous one. Let us take the function y is equal to sin x raised to cos x. Okay, so my step 1 is applying logarithm on both the sides. So log y is equal to log sin x raised to cos x. Now due to the logarithmic property, this cos will come here in the multiplication and therefore I'll get log y is equal to cos x into log of sin x. Now in step 2, I will apply differentiation on both the sides. Therefore, d by dx of log y is equal to d by dx of cos x into log sin x. So there are two composite functions log y and log sin x. So when I want to differentiate these two composite functions, the chain rule will be applied. That means the outer function log will be differentiated first. So log y will be 1 upon y and then y needs to be differentiated dy by dx. Similarly, log sin x, log is the outer function. So log sin x is 1 upon sin x into derivative of sin x. Okay guys, so we are going to use this chain rule here. Therefore, I will get log y is, as discussed earlier, 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to the multiplication between cos x and log sin x. So, multiplication rule cos x into d by dx of log sin x plus log sin x into d by dx of cos x. Now, application of these two chain rule. Therefore, I'll get 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to cos x into log sin x is 1 upon sin x into derivative of sin x. See, derivative of sin x, I can write it cos x, right? Because we know derivative of sin x is cos x plus log sin x into d by dx of cos x is minus sin x. Hence, I can write, see, this cos x into cos x is cos square x divided by sin x. This minus sign will come here. So, it will minus sin x into log sin x. So, in the next slide, I am going to write 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to, it is cos square x divided by sin x is equal to cos square x divided by sin x, then this minus into plus is minus, minus sin x into log sin x. So minus sin x into log sin x. This is the end of step 2. In step 3, I'll write y on the opposite side in multiplication. So I have dy by dx is equal to y into cos square x upon sin x minus sin x into log sin x, and expression for y is given as sin x raised to cos x, and therefore my final answer is dy dx of sin x raised to cos x is equal to, again y is there, so sin x raised to cos square x upon sin x minus sin x into log sin x, and this is my final answer. Okay guys, so I hope you have understood. If there is any difficulties, please write down in the comment box so that I may understand your requirements. Right guys? And please don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Goodbye everyone.